The golden rule is at the core of everything we do at Cottingham Chalk. So giving back in the community is something we've done forever. Our agents, our company, everyone around us has been involved forever in all sorts of different things. Realtors Care Day is a wonderful thing for us to be involved in because it involves the entire realtor community. It's built around housing and improving affordable housing for people in our community, which is something that we all believe in. It's also a really fun day because we get to come together as a company, work together as a team on something besides real estate, get our hands dirty, toss our phones to the side, and have a good time. Realtors Care Day is something that's really special to me personally because I was there from the very beginning, along with several other folks from our company, as the idea was created from its very inception and carried out over the last 10 years, which is something that I'm really proud of and that so many of us have been involved in. Not just working on houses, but serving on the planning committees, site selections, getting all the vendors in place, all the materials in place, all the contractors in place, and the 600 or 700 volunteers that work on this project every year. It's a very, very big project, and it's something that the realtor community at large can be proud of. We're really excited to be a part of that.